Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you can run commands. That's the single, essential prerequisite. In single player, open the pause menu and choose Open to LAN, then flip Allow Cheats to On and start LAN World. This gives you temporary command access. On a dedicated server, use the console or an admin to run /op your name so you become an operator. Once done, you're ready to run the /Gamemode command. Make sure to use the correct syntax and case when you type it. Now execute the command. Type /Gamemode followed by the mode name, Survival, Creative, Adventure, or Spectator, or use the numbers 0 to 3 for brevity. If you want to change someone else, append their player name or a selector like at P or at A, for yourself use at S or omit the target. For example, /Gamemode Creative at S immediately grants creative tools and flight. Make sure you press Enter to run the command, and observe your inventory and abilities change so you know it worked. Finish by verifying the change. In Creative, you gain flight and full stacks. In Spectator, you can fly through blocks. If it reverted, make sure the server didn't remove operator rights or reset plugins. Re-op yourself or ask the admin. If the command errors, the common cause is lack of cheats or operator status. Return to Open to LAN or the server console and enable permissions. One quick troubleshooting tip: copy-paste the command to avoid typos, and confirm you're playing Minecraft Java Edition, since
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.